Email G2 is the most powerful desktop mail automation tool ever created. There's nothing close or in comparison anywhere. You better not mail at all than mail to a dirty list. Every time you mail out to a dirty list, you're losing money. Here are some facts. You're paying your autoresponder more money than you have to maintain your list. You're paying your email service provider too much to mail your lists. The dead, bouncing and incorrect email addresses in your list are pulling your open rates down because spam filters put you in spam fast. Unverified email addresses and spam traps are causing you huge losses by creating a spam footprint for your mails. You're losing reputation and going down in open rates and subscribers every time you mail out. A high bounce rate will get you banned by your email service provider. Using single opt-in? Clean your list. If you're not forcing your leads to verify and you're using single opt-in subscription method, it's even more important for you to clean your list because otherwise a lot of garbage email addresses will quickly accumulate and destroy our list. The clean list advantage: lower cost for list maintenance, lower cost of emailing. You won't get caught in spam traps. Lower bounce rates improves your open rates. You get better delivery. High bounce rate will get you banned from your email service provider fast. More profits. List Verify Jeet features. Upload your list straight into the app. Hit execute and let it clean your list with just one click. Removes all duplicate and invalid emails so you don't get any soft or hard bounces. Verifies each email using SMTP request to make sure that you are only left with correct email IDs. Supports both CSV files and simple email files with text lists.